Rebuy was established under a different company name, Trader Game, in 2004. In our media business, where we installed the Modula lifts a year ago, we had a very classic shelf. There was a limited automation for both storage and pick. So we decided in April 2022 to purchase the 36 Modula lifts. And what we are using is our own software to define the pick lists. And in the background, our software communicates with the Modula system and basically tells the lift which tray to present. And then the pick list on our workers' handhelds tells the worker which item to pick. Currently, we are picking above 300 items per hour from the Tabla lifts and something between 200 and 250 items from the standard shelf.